Peace, 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 love, light, and healing. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Check it out. Check me out, family. We out here running new lines. So we just dug up this trench. We finna trench all the way up here. Look at that. Them are all wild. These are called lamb quarters herbs, full of iron phosphate, y'all. Look how big they is. Big and beautiful. So we just installed a new pipe for the well. Y'all see it's hooking up to the rope piping. Brand new one on here. We got another one down there. I'm gonna show y'all. Work getting done. The ground finally settled, so we finna anchor this part over here, and this is where the greenhouse is going. Looking good. So I'm installing new piping for each garden. That way when we build the irrigation, we ain't gotta be going 100 feet away. Moving the earth, y'all. Moving the earth. There's some good soil too. Look how good that soil is. It's going, all types of stuff gonna be growing out here. It's looking good, y'all. It's coming together. Getting the lights reinstalled. Looking good, man. It's the retaining wall.
Hold on.
Yeah.
No, that's
The retaining wall is coming together, y'all. This is crazy. Man, this is gonna be the best food forest garden ever. Watch. This is gonna be the biggest food forest ever, man. 4 acres of food forest. We're working on 2 acres now. But 4 acres of food forest. Imagine how many people we're gonna be able to feed. We finna run the irrigation system and the drainage system. And we're gonna fill in the rest of the retaining wall. It's gonna be powerful. It's looking good, y'all. So the retaining wall gonna come up about 9 feet. Then we're gonna level out on this level. Then it's gonna be a bottom tier. So the top tier is where I'm gonna be growing all my citrus, all my apple trees, fruit trees, lemon trees. The bottom area is all vegetables and perennial flowers mixed with herbs. So I tried to keep this tree, but we ain't gonna be able to keep it. I got about 15 other green walnut hog trees, so it's not like I'm gonna be missing nothing. And it's not a mother tree anyway, so it ain't gonna hurt us to take it out. We already ran the irrigation lines, we already ran the drain, and now we gotta fill in the back with rock. This wall gonna be super big. 100-foot retaining wall, 9 feet high. I'm gonna build some steps into it to come down from the top garden tier to the bottom. All of this is gonna be fenced off with high fence, probably like a 10-foot tall fence all around here. gonna be amazing. This how big this is, y'all. This is literally, so we're gonna use 4 acres to grow food on. Out of those 4 acres, 2 acres is gonna be a food forest that we starting off with first. And this is the first 2 acres we starting off with. All of this back here, all of that back there, all of this right here, up to the well, all the way down here. All of this is gonna be food forest. It's gonna be powerful. Then the other 2 acres, which is on the other side of the horse stable, that's gonna be used too. So we're gonna be able to feed so many people, family. I'm telling you. Like, we really are preparing, we really prepping, we already growing a lot of our own food already. This is just really taking it to the next level. So yeah, family, that's what it is. Y'all see my sons and them back there, they wild too. They just in awe about what we doing. We doing something major, and it's happening very, very fast. When you get inspired like this and you have the means to get it done, don't wait, do it. And that's with anything in life. If you want something, you have the desire and the passion to do it right then and there. Don't wait. Because otherwise you will find somebody else living your dreams for you. But we don't do that over here. So y'all see we took off this fence. Fence gone. We got to level this out, dig another trench. Put some more of these slabs right there. We also done took the tree out. Tree back there. Don't be whining, y'all. We got 15 more of these trees on the property, but it needed to go, and we dug up the roots. We go to green walnut hulls right here. It's kind of impossible to grow nightshades and grow all other types of crops with a black walnut hull tree, so we had to take that out. Plus, it was taking away a lot of sunlight, and we're trying to grow melons and stuff. But look, it look dope, y'all. All right, y'all, it's work time, work time. Now be out here finna help me out.
Yeah, you gotta get right.
You know what I'm saying? But we finna start putting together the raised beds, then we gotta build a few customized beds. But as y'all can see, all the dirt has been dropped off, everything been graded. There's a few things that we gotta break up a little bit, but y'all see the retaining wall is done and it's up. It's time to start farming. So we got all the dirt we need. So this dirt is a little acidic, but the dirt over here is very alkaline, so we're gonna mix it up a little bit. But let me show y'all the retaining walls. We are now starting to put our water tanks up, our 480 gallon water tanks up. We done ran the drain line. It's looking good, y'all. Let me show y'all what we got going on. So we ran the ditch lines, got good drainages coming out. We starting to put in the tanks now. Here go the first tank right here. So we finna go get the other tanks and we're gonna roll them all up this line. We got a lot of work to do though. We installing the big fences in like a week. I just wanna get all this dirt down. So this is the bottom tier where we're gonna be growing watermelons, berry bushes, for real, just a whole lot of fruits. Up top, we're gonna do a lot of vegetables. So it's gonna look good, y'all. I needed this to open up because we don't need a bunch of shade here to grow what we're trying to grow. We planted apple trees, fruit trees, lemon trees, orange trees. We're growing melons and all of that. These things are gonna need sunlight. Like that whole 12 hours of sun out, that's what they gonna need. And this is a 9.5 foot wall, y'all. Literally. Look, this is how far my hand reach up. So it's a pretty tall wall. So this bottom tier, top tier is amazing. Then I'm gonna show y'all the where the actual peach tree at. it's gonna be a whole nother, that's gonna be a whole herb field. So it's gonna be powerful, y'all. So yeah, we working, man. We working. Out here spending family time with my boys. Uh-huh. Look at their faces. Uh-huh. We building the beds, y'all. How you feeling, son? Look, y'all, my son, man, he out here with his flip-flops on. You know what I'm saying? He forming with his flip-flops on. What you got to say about that, man?
Feels good.
But we getting the garden beds done, and we finna plant them. Out here cutting down this land with my sons, you know what it is. We got so much to maintain. Everything is graded, y'all. So all the raised beds is done. I'm gonna show y'all that. Right now, we done graded everything out. We done put down the hay. We putting up fence posts. Fence posts is getting put up. It's gonna be powerful. Check out the fence post. It's looking real good. Yes. This soil is gonna be amazing in a few months. It's looking good. Set the post here too. I got a bunch of deer on the property that be eating my mangoes, eating my apples, and eating my peaches and my pears. So these are 10 feet. It's looking amazing. They're getting the gates up. The fruit area is gonna be fenced in by the day. I'm loving it. So all the gates put up now. Now it's just time to really put up the fencing. When y'all see this in the next 2 weeks, all the raised beds gonna be out. It's gonna be, man, I'm telling y'all, wait. Next year, I'm eating nothing but my own grown food. It's looking amazing, y'all. It's gonna be so much food growing on here. Tomorrow we putting out the raised beds and we starting to plant and everything.
For the farm. Come out here and do that work
The
tomorrow.
fence is totally up, y'all. Everything is leveled out. It's looking good. Just the bottom tier, watermelons, all of that shit gonna be grown on this side. Top tier, apple trees, everything else. The fence is most definitely put together. We made sure all the well water is within inside of the fences. I mean, they did an amazing job, y'all. All of the raised beds is in the back ready. We dropping them tomorrow. I mean, they hooked it up. No more deers eating our stuff. Lay that mulch down probably next week. Man, they did a good job.
Mm-hmm. That was that guy that came out and measured.
Mm-hmm. Look, fall most definitely here. You see the colors coming in? Man, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of me, what I'm doing for my community, feeding my family. Just all praises to the Most High. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth, peace.